function from the PrestaShop forum. This guy is asking, for example, how to display product short description in product listing page. Display product short description on product listing page. So I will have to answer this question and post it. I will have to answer this question, and if in the future you have the same question, you can use this method. So what we have to do, we go to the files, you know, you follow the path. I'm using PrestaShop 8, the 8th version. You go to themes, classic, you know, templates, catalog, and partials. You check for miniature, and you have product list, but you will not find here. So you have to find it in the past. For example, themes, classic, templates, catalog, partials, miniature, and product. So now here we have, for example, this product. We have the product object. What I have to do is just grab the product object and do a print ln, print area, to see what I will have. I'm just showing you. I know the variable I should grab, but I just want to show you so that next time you can look for the variable you are looking for. So I do print ln, print r, have a better styling for the HTML. Now I come here and refresh this page, which is the product listing page. So now we should have, we don't have it yet, but should have it here. So let me put it inside the block name, maybe. Yes. Okay, this page is for index. Okay, this said if page is index, so I have to put it in another page. But okay, this page is for index. Okay, yes. Okay, so we have, okay, this is the cover. This is the product flags. Okay, let me put it inside here in the very beginning of the div, so that we can see. Oh, no, it is because I printed the name. Okay, if I print the name, I have only an ID. Okay, so I have to print the entire. Okay, you see, now I have it here. So here we can just search for Control F, search for description short. Description shots. See? Description short. So we have the valid description short here. Yes, we have it here. Description short is here. So we just can take the description short object. Yes. Okay, it is here. Okay, let me put the variable inside here so that we can see it inside the article. Here we'll have a better design. Okay, let me put it here so that it will be better. Okay. So here, if I refresh the page, okay, and I look for description short. Yes, I have description short here. I know the variable, I just wanted to show you how to do it. So we have the description short area here. Okay, so I just need to write description short. Yes. Okay, now here, a product description short. So let us put it inside its article loop so that we can have description short for each article. So here we have the name. Okay, so we just can put it downside in after the name. You have it here. Okay, let me put a bear, maybe. Okay, so we have description short here. Yes. So if I refresh the page, I should have description short for each product. Yes, we have it. So we have it with the HTML tags, but I can remove that tags also. Let me remove the HTML tags. It is very simple. You just have to do no filter. No filter, yes. If you do no filter, It will display without the HTML tags. Okay. So now you see we have the description short for each product without having the HTML tags, you know. So it is what this guy is asking in the PrestaShop forum, but nobody is answering. It was no 4 hours ago maybe, you know. So if you have question, if you go to the PrestaShop forum and that nobody is answering, you can just come here in my YouTube channel. You ask me the question, I will do it. I am Jaga from the PrestaShop forum. Everybody knows me, you know. I have very good experience in PrestaShop. Everything you can ask in PrestaShop, I will ask. Everything you ask in PrestaShop, I can answer it, you know. Okay, you can ask your questions in French and in English and also in Russian. Okay, so here we have it. Okay, thank you.